Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we have a Hobonich unboxing. So if you don't know, a Hobonich planner is a type of planner or planner system that originated in Japan, and it is still produced in Japan, I believe. But it's a great planner system. I used it briefly in 2016 or 2017 just to try it out, but I never really got into it. But for 2021, I kind of want to try and use it. And this is my unboxing and setup experience. So I will let past Job take it away. This is the Hobonich order. So in my last video, it was about the ordering process. This time we are actually opening it. So let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this open. I've actually never ordered from Hobonich from the online store, and shipping was expensive. It was like 300 yen. Ooh. Okay, I see why people order from the Hobonich store, because look, you get this box. It's such experience, by the way. So yes, we're gonna move this out of the way. I can't really see what I'm unboxing because my mic is like right close to my face. But I'm really excited. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick photo op first, because gotta do it for the gram. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. I forgot there's a quote. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll like censor this because people are like super secretive. Well, not secretive. They don't want to spoil it for other people, because apparently this is a big thing for the community. So, yeah. Oh, it's a nice quote. Wait, it's by Safety Matches Fireplace Chat? Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay. Whoa, I can see it already. Oh my god. Oh, this is cute. Pause. So I was giggling uncontrollably because I still don't know how I feel about this. Even after a few days, I still don't really know if I like it, but we'll let past Job continue this explanation. I'm just laughing. I don't know how I feel about this. This arrived so quick. I actually just ordered this and it's here. Okay, so this is the A5 size pencil board. So it's I guess your bookmark, and also like if you're into stationery, you've probably seen these, but you put it underneath your page that you're writing on, so you get a consistent writing surface. So like if you're out and about and you need to like write something, you can use this to keep your paper in place. This is super cute. I actually really like this. This, on the other hand, it's okay. In person, it actually looks pretty awesome. I'm not gonna deny that. But let's just open it already. I don't know how I feel. It's very cute, but is it very me? I don't know. Okay. It feels so soft. Whoa. It's really soft. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. Sorry, I'm just so giggly. It's like a Friday evening and it's a long weekend. I feel good. I'm just very positive and happy, but this is like so this is so cute. Oh, the cookies, of course. Yeah, I'm just a little bit in shock because I think if you watched my prior video, you kind of saw me have a little bit of a dilemma. Okay, I'm gonna put this here first, and I want to open this to see what it looks like with everything. Okay, this is just craft paper. Oh, okay, so these are the infamous Hobonich pens. I've always seen them in unboxings, and I don't know, it looks like it's gonna write really well. And this is what I'm excited about because I mean, A, it matches, and B, I really like blue and yellow. This is like the Fude pen, or food. Is it food or Fude? I think it's Fude, because it's the same type of pen. It's a brush pen, just like the Tombow Fude Touch pens, which I really like, that I use for a lot of like brush lettering. So I'm curious to see how these write. I'm gonna open these up and then try everything out, and I just want to see what it looks like in here. But yeah, this is my order. I didn't go overboard, which is good because it's a little bit pricey. And I know people like budget for this, and for some people this is their main planner. But for myself, this is not my, well, this is one of many planners, and I'm trying to be serious, and I'm all I can see is this. I think I like it. I just, when I look at my planners, which are right over there, this is not exactly, this isn't my usual style. I've said that already before, but let's open this. Let's open everything up and see how. Oh wow. Sorry, the last time I had a Hobonich was back in like 2016 or 2017. I got the A5 cousin size, not the Avec that I got this year, but I am excited, a little bit nervous. I'll just open this, and I want to see what this looks like too. Ooh, I like the color of the second one. I actually don't, is this I don't know if this is what the classic cover looks like for the Japanese version. I know the English version is black. Oh, I haven't worked in like a Tomoe river paper notebook in a while. It's so thin. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited to try the fountain pens out. And this is nice because it's in Japanese. I don't know. I really like how the Japanese planner, or the Japanese layout looks. I mean, I can't read the quotes, but that's all right. It looks so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, the colors. Okay. I like the Avec. Okay, let's put this in here. The cover is actually a lot thicker than I remember. Like the actual cover of the notebook. Ooh, that was actually oddly satisfying. Oh wait. Oh, I'm such a noob. It's weird putting this in because it's such a floppy notebook. I'm sorry, notebook cover. Okay, I can definitely. Ooh. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I. It matches my art style though. Like if I'm talking about being on brand, like the colors that I use and how I use bright colors and everything, I mean, it does match that, but I just can't. I'm sorry, I'm just giggling so much. But I do like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I was thinking of selling it, but I think it's part of the experience. Let's put this away. I do want to keep the packaging though, because it's very cute, and I think it's when I'm not using this, which I don't know how long I'll be using it, but it'll be nice to have to keep it safe. So, oh, the pencil board's super cute. Okay, I think I have kind of made peace with it, and it's just gonna live at home. I don't think it's gonna be a notebook that I bring around all the time, and to be honest, like I don't really care about like if this looks childish or like too cutesy, because I don't really care about that, like in terms of clothing and style. Like I'll wear whatever, but I don't know, the thing that I'm worried about carrying around is it's this like stuffed toy material. Like it's gonna get so nasty if I bring it around. And actually, okay, maybe I don't mind if this was just I think I would enjoy it if it was maybe a plastic cover or their usual nylon covers. I think it would be a little bit more usable on the day-to-day, like bringing out it and about. This is like carrying a stuffed toy around. That's why I feel a little bit more conscious, because yeah, I don't know, I'm going through a dilemma because I really shouldn't care about what I wear and my style and everything, but I don't know. I think I am a little bit insecure about using this in the wild. This is gonna irk me though. It's not laying flush. As you can see, the little pen loop is kind of, let's see if I can move it closer to see that it's not lying flat. So unless I think maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, sorry, I think that's my one criticism, and maybe I don't mind the faux leather. I know it would be really expensive if it was real leather. I do enjoy all the pockets. That's very cool. I'm still eyeing up the Baumkuchen cover though, but yeah, I'm excited to actually use the notebook itself. So, yep, this is it. Let's put this in. I think I can start using it as early as, can I use it in November? Okay, no. You can start using it in December 2020 in terms of the month pages. How about sorry, I'm just checking the first weekly spread. So yeah, the first weekly spread is on the 28th because I guess that's the first full week that starts with the first, or like the first is included in this week. That's why it starts there. So I can use it in December, which I might try. I'm actually really tempted to just like I just want to use it, but let's see. Let's put one here and then the other here. Nope, this is the week. Where's the monthly spread? Okay, there. And then let's just put this randomly in the middle. It's very cute. Excited about these pens. I just want to see how they write. Maybe not on the actual Tomoe river paper, but because I don't want to add unnecessary marks onto that yet. Let's find some scrap paper. So this is another alternative. If I don't end up using this could be another notebook cover that I use. This is the Chic Sparrow cover that I actually DIY'd myself. And if you watch that video, this was actually, ooh, that's a really nice blue. This cover was actually bright purple. Yeah, this writes fantastic. It's very smooth and very fine. I like it. Okay, that normally goes, these loops interlock, so it becomes the closure for the book from what I have learned about. Yeah, keeps it closed. Sorry, I'm back. I just realized that I wasn't recording anything. Let's try this. Ooh. Okay, so it's a lot softer than I was expecting. So it's similar to the I guess this is the normal, or I guess softer nib of the Tombow Fude Touch. It's very similar to that. Usually I use the blue one, which is the harder nib, but I think you can get some nice letter forms. Let's try. Yeah, it's nice. I can't believe this is a freebie. It writes super well. And I need to work on my lettering. But yeah, looks good. Okay. Overall, very happy with the quality of everything. I'm excited to use the Hobonich system. It's a newish system to me. I haven't used it in a very long time. So I'm excited to see how it writes. Oh yeah, this comes with free paper. I will probably use that in my journal. So we have this, we have this. Okay, I think, yeah, overall I like everything that I got. The quality is great. In terms of usability, this might not be the most practical notebook. As you can see, this is like my two moods. My usual mood. This is like me when I'm super happy. I guess this is how I aspire to be. I aspire to be this happy and fluffy and quirky. But yeah, this is it. I like this. I like the one thing that just irks me is that if there was one thing I could change about this cover, it's this. But overall, I think if you are not that picky, I think that this wouldn't bug you. I have a feeling that I think it'll bug me for a little bit, and then I'll just learn to push the book a little bit to the left every time I open it. But that's all right. And when you're working on this side, it doesn't get affected. And now I do know why people get the pencil board a lot, because these get a little bit full with the pockets, and you might have things there. So when you have the pencil board there, it really keeps it firm. So that's good. Yeah, I feel like we should make a bet to see how long I use this, because for the cover at least. Like I think I'll use it for a month, and then I'll end up purchasing something in February, but we shall see. I might even purchase something earlier. But it's cute to have. I mean, like, on my desk, it's gonna look very cute. I don't know why. Got my tongue tied there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Sorry I was so chaotic and giggly. I think I was just in shock because this is very different for my usual style, but I think I'll grow to like it even more. I don't know. It's nice to like push ourselves out of our usual tastes and stuff. So let's see where this takes us. Okay, I'm just cutting these out. I was like, maybe I shouldn't cut them out, but no, we gotta commit. I'm keeping this, so yeah. I'll see you all next time, and hopefully I will enjoy using this in 2021. Stay tuned for more 2021 setup stuff, because yeah, I think I'm gonna be changing a few things up, and I'm curious to know what you'll be using in 2021 in terms of planners and journals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye everyone.